Hello, I'm Sarah Breen Lovett, and I'm here to talk about our book chapter called Fast Slow: Prefabricated Architecture, DIY Earth Building, Personal and Planetary Wellbeing. This chapter is an examination of a proposed architectural project called Fast Slow. This is a bringing together of fast DIY prefabricated architecture through a modular flat-packed timber frame system with slow earth building such as rammed earth, hemp clay, light earth method and cob building. This is so that we can leverage the efficiencies and the high performance of prefabrication while enjoying the personal and planetary wellbeing effects of earth building. We had a number of co-authors on this chapter, and they really helped to interrogate and expand the initial conceptual framework of the Fast Slow project. On the historical and social ambitions of the project, interior designer, architect and academic Cathy Smith helps connect the ambitions of the Fast Slow project to various DIY movements from the 50s and 70s. Although praising the social, communal and economic aspects of DIY, she offers a timely warning about the utopian nature of such a project and the potentially non-inclusive nature of this to only those that can afford it. Considering the greater affordability of the Fast Slow system, co-author Earthship master builder Harrison Gardner focuses on the ability of such a process to empower the DIY home builder to take back control of the timeline, cost and design of their homes according to their own individual needs and lifestyles. It is because of the DIY-friendly nature of the earth materials, but also the prefabricated system that allows this empowerment. To expand the conversation around prefabrication a bit further, co-author architectural academic Duncan Maxwell sees the benefit of considering the Fast Slow project as a process rather than an end product. Maxwell points out that it's through seeing the fast and the slow as complementary parts rather than in opposition that will help allow the creation of a holistic ecosystem, allowing for increased interconnectivity. Seeing the project as part of a broader ecosystem is important, and for co-author, eco-social creative practitioner Cathy Fitzgerald, she emphasises the role of eco-literacy provided by education for sustainable development in this regard. Fitzgerald highlights that their Earth Charter provides an essential holistic means to improve our fluency about integrated environmental and social principles. Fitzgerald emphasises this is so that we can create with personal, collective, planetary and intergenerational well-being in mind. Such an approach would lead to deeper behavioural change, which is touched upon by co-author philosopher Nikos Patedakis, who points out that the Fast Slow process includes activities such as meditation, can develop a more empowered sense of home building and home ownership. Patedakis also points out that practices that increase compassion can also enable potential DIYers to have a greater integration with themselves, as well as a better sense of family, community and society. Expanding out to broader social concerns of the Fast Slow project, co-author, philosopher and environmental activist Lucy Weir says that such a project can actually help create a reassessment of humanity's place in the world. Weir says that this is because of how it manages itself in relation to resources, which fundamentally has the power to shift and alter political realities about responsible management from a grassroots to international government levels. So we hope that you enjoy reading this book chapter and finding out about the Fast Slow project.